I want to tell our people, much as difficult things are economically, just work hard. Work hard and be honest. Some of us have gotten in a lot of trouble because of being truthful. But I want to tell you, even the Bible says, the truth shall set you free. So as I wind up, so that I introduce the leaders here, I want to tell the people of our region not to get worried. Many people are calling me, oh, what's going to happen? Please, don't worry. Our community is very unique, and many people are shocked. We expected people to go to the streets, lighting bonfires, destroying vehicles, shouting. No, that is not who we are. These people don't know us well. As when we feel offended, we feel bad, we keep quiet. Sindio? Mutaendelea kunyamaza? Keep quiet. Say nothing. And if you feel so strongly you must express yourself, do it through song and dance. Sindio? Nyimbo tu na kunyama? Kulio kaudutu we. Mukiraki na mutikarie. Waigwa ni ukuhiukirwo ukaina rwimbo. Wachoko gekate? Wakira. And that way itakuwa nzuri. The church must remain the conscience of the state, of the nation. Continue talking the truth. Continue telling the congregation the way things are. Hapa niko na viongozi, tuko na Deputy Governor wa Nyeri, Waroe Kenanire, mpigieni makofi. Tuko na baba yao, Ferdinand Waititu, the one and only. Tuko na Governor alikuwa Nairobi, Mike Buvi Sonko. Tuko na aliyekuwa mjumbe wa Dagoretti South, Bwana Dennis Wawero. Niko na nimetumwa na Rabirabi na kiongozi wetu Gathoni wa Mushomba. Wako bunge ameniambia wanaenda kungangana na hii maneno ya SHA na SHIF. Pia niko na Rabirabi ya Senator wetu Karungo wa Dhangwa. So my brother, we are together. We wish you well. Pull yourself together. You are strong men. Teach these boys of yours to work with you, so that the gap that Lucy has left, they can fill. Stay united as a family. Continue doing the work of God. Continue being a true person. Endelea kukaa na sisi vizuri vile umekaa na sisi. Tunakupenda sana na tunakuheshimu sana. Na historia yako kutoka mtu ya kuosha magari mpaka kuwa muuzaji ya magari ile kali inatuvutia sisi sana. You are a role model to many of us. Because your story is a beautiful story. And this must be the story for the people of Kenya. Mumoko gaidania voinoka? Mumoko gaidania? Tuko pia na aliyekuwa governor wa Nairobi, Kanano, pigieni ye makofi. Mumoko gaidaniria? Ngai witu amurathime. Amweke wega. Murore magukumia. Amwaraberie mihaka. Amugitire kuma kwi ndwari. Micianyu yurage irathimo hiana mbura njega. Asanteni sana, thank you.